Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having some Chick-fil-A animal style fries. I have already tried the McDonald's animal style fries, but today I wanted to make these Chick-fil-A animal style fries and see how good it tastes. I already have it all done here. I have the caramelized onions with the melted cheese, and I am going to be pouring the sauce with you guys like always. And of course I had to get myself the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich with the spicy deluxe. So that is what we are going to be having today. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the sauce on these fries. I will have the link to the video on how to make the animal style fries along with this sauce. So if you guys want to make it, it's all going to be down below in the description box. Yum. Okay, so good. I actually have some leftovers so that I can also have some sauce with the sandwiches. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm honestly expecting this to be just as good as the McDonald's animal style fries. Ooh, looks so good. Hopefully you guys can see it and see how good this looks. Oh yes. This tastes just as good as the McDonald's one. I don't even know which one tastes like better because they're both so amazing. My only regret is not getting 2 fries. This is just not enough. Now I want to have the sandwich with the sauce, which should taste so delicious. So what cheese do you guys like having your spicy chicken sandwich with? I always choose American, but I want to know if I'm missing out and there's another cheese that tastes even better with the sandwich. Yum, so delicious. Oh my goodness. Just when I thought I couldn't get any better. That is good. It's so crazy how sauces just make everything like taste it to the next level. Like, what would food be without sauces? It would not be the same. I actually wanted to try these with the zesty sauce. Because in my last mukbang, I actually tasted this one. I'm like, oh my god, this sauce was so good. With the chicken tenders. So I want to see how it tastes with these fries. It definitely takes away from these animal style fries. I'm just gonna leave this for my sandwich and my chicken tenders. I feel like with animal style fries, that's it. Like, you can't add anything to it because then it takes away from it. That is good. I honestly can't even tell you which one is better, like McDonald's or this one, because they're so good. I would have them both together, honestly. Oh my gosh, so I tried the Wendy's chicken, what is it, spicy chicken sandwich. And that's probably like my least favorite chicken sandwich. Out of all the spicy chicken sandwiches you guys have tried, which one do you think is the best? I finally got to try the Wendy's one, even though people like hardly talk about it, but the most common one is either this one or Popeyes. But I did not like the Wendy's one at all. Don't you guys agree with me that the Chick-fil-A one is hands down the best one? They have the best spicy chicken sandwich. Not even the Popeyes one is was that good. So I was really looking forward to traveling this summer. Around this month, next month, I wanted to go to California. You guys know when the prices of the flights went drastically down, like I think in March it was. I really thought that, you know, by July, August, things will kind of go back to normal or the cases won't be going up as much. But sadly, that was not the case. And thankfully, I didn't get the ticket. Even though I wouldn't have much to lose. It was like $25, I think the tickets were. But I was so close to going and trying In-N-Out and going to Raising Cane's. And where else? Jollibees. Like, I don't know why we don't have any of those. I want to plan a trip, but I don't even know for when I should buy the tickets. Like, next year, even if that, you know? I know here in Florida, they're already, I think they're going to start closing down again. I don't have any more fries left. I wish I ordered a second fry. If not to have now, to have for later because I loved it. It was so good. I feel like the sauce goes good with everything. I haven't had anything that it just doesn't taste good with. And it's super simple to make, so I will have it all down below if you guys want to try it out. I tried it with McDonald's. I think that's all the fries I can try it with because I'm trying to think of like fries from fast food places, and Burger King has some basic fries and Wendy's has basic fries. So I feel like that's the only thing I can try it with is Chick-Fil-A and McDonald's. If you guys think of any other fries I can try it with, let me know down below in the comment box. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you for joining me today. If you stayed until the end, I appreciate it so much. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Leave me any suggestions down below in the comment box, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.